Speaker, sir, the attention of the House is drawn to the serious concern regarding the safety of the people due to the continued erosion of the embankment along the National Highway 748 road at Tulshimar caused by the heavy flow of Valvanti River due to incessant rains during monsoons last year. To prevent further landslides, the area was temporarily protected with rubble stone pitching and barricade. This happened last year. But then, and last year, the government had assured the House that necessary measures such as construction of retaining protection wall, strengthening of the embankment would be undertaken to prevent further damage caused due to the heavy rains and flooding of the river. However, till date, no permanent protective measures has been carried out. Due to this, the embankment remains highly vulnerable, and during the upcoming monsoon season, the residents and commuters will face serious risk as the water level of the river rises and the soil along the roadside continues to erode. The situation poses a threat to the safety of commuters and nearby residents. The people of the area are therefore living in constant fear that further heavy rains may lead to collapse of the embankment, road damage, and possible accidents. I request the Honorable WRD Minister to kindly look into the matter and the work of the construction of the protection wall for the embankment along the National Highway road as at Tulshimar, and which needs to be taken up on top priority and completed before the upcoming session, monsoon session.
Honorable Minister.
Speaker, sir, I rise to respond to the calling attention brought by Honorable MLA Dr. Divya Rani on the issue regarding the safety of the people due to the continued erosion of the embankment along the National Highway NS 748AA road at Tulsimar caused by the heavy flow of water of the Valvanti River. Speaker, sir, the said stretch of National Highway 748AA road from Sankli to Tulsimal runs along the Valvanti River. The edge of the road at Tulsimal is adjacent to the bank of the river. The bank of the river at this said location, as brought up to the notice by Honorable MLA, is disturbed due to the construction of a culvert by PWD for a length of around 100 meters. The Valvanti River is prone for flooding. The flooding may cause erosion of the banks of the river. Necessary protection, that's what I said, necessary protection work for the road needs to be taken up by PW National Highway. But Madam, just before coming to the House, I talked to the National Highway engineer, and then I take a decision that this stretch of a road we will take up under WRD. Very shortly we will prepare the estimates and take up the work for under your WRD department for protection of the bank.
Speaker, sir, I would just like to mention.
Yes, assured you, no?
No, just one thing. Desilting of the river, Valvanti River, which is not done last 17 years. That is causing the overflow again and again. And this river
Desilting is not in this calling attention.
Yes, it is connected,
No, this is not a part of this thing, but I will study it and get it analyzed.
So it's connected.
Yeah, he is doing desilting.
You do the desilting this year?
Yes, assured you. Yeah. Okay, we'll go for Valvanti River. Valvanti River. Okay, ask Mr. Vinesh Barkar.
Speaker, sir.
Vinesh Barkar, only Valvanti River.
Valvanti River. Speaker, sir, Valvanti River.
And it falls in Sankli and it is part of the river.
No.
Speak specific. Thank you.
Speaker, sir, किती असा Valvanti River जी असा ती आमच्या वेस्टर्न घाटसाक कॅचमेंट एरियेन लागता आणि जो पॅटर्न असा हो पॅटर्न आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटान स्टडी केला कित्याक इरोजन हे कंटिन्यूस चालूच उरतले सो एज अ सायंटिफिक जो पॅटर्न असा हो स्टडी केला काय कितें आणि हेका लागून फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन आता एक तेंच्यांनी एक फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन डिपार्टमेंटाचो कितें आसा हो खूप गरजेचो आसा कित्याक परत परत समज अशें जायत रावले जाल्यार फ्युचरान त्रास जातले फुडें म्हटल्यार एक क्लॅरिफिकेशन काडा की बाबा हेचे सायंटिफिक रिसर्च कितें केला जो स्टडी केला काय ना
सांग म्हणजे ओके प्रेमन शेट ऑनरेबल मेंबर प्रेमन शेट
सर आज एक इम्पॉर्टंट कॉलिंग अटेंशन हाडला मॅडम दिव्या राणेन तेजेर उलयता स्पीकर सर आतां आमी म्हटलें की इरोजन जावपाचें मेन कारण कितें आसा स्पीकर सर की हेजें डिसेल्टींग 15-17 वर्सां जावंक ना
सांगला करता म्हणून सांगला फुडें
करता म्हटला स्पीकर सर कितली इम्पॉर्टंट आहा न्हू तें सांगता स्पीकर सर हांव
सांगला मग करता म्हणून सांगला दिव्या
दादा नो कितले सिरियस आहा ह्या मॅटर न्हू ते सांगता स्पीकर
ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर तुवें सांगला डिसेल्टींग करता म्हणजे मातशें मायक बंद करता पुतू त्याच विचारता
लास्ट इयर स्पीकर सर हांवें एक प्रपोजल मूव केल्लो
Shane and Divya Rane, दोघांनी म्हाका, I will send my engineers on Wednesday, coming Wednesday. You can show them the sites, what points are to be desilted. And accordingly, I will ask them to prepare the estimates and take on priority. Okay?
स्पीकर सर म्हाका एकूच कन्सर्न आहा चिंतेचे मॅटर आहा हे गेल्या वर्सा हांवें प्रपोजल मूव केल्लो डिसल्टिंग करपाक लागून मार्च म्हयन्यात आज म्हजे कडेन ते पेपर्स आहा दाखोवपाक की आमचे इंजिनियर आहा न्हू ते एक रिमार्क मारता आनी फायल तशीच दवरता
आतां ते धाडटा पळय बुधवाराक
धाडटा एक वर्स जालें स्पीकर सर पण
तूं एलिगेशन करता मिनिस्टर धाडना म्हणून
तशें तूं
ना, सांग सारकें सांग
इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू आसा वॉर फुटिंगाचेर ह्या मनसुना पयलीं जातले म्हणून म्हाका एश्युरन्स जाय
ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर मनसुना पयलीं जातले अशें एश्युरन्स दी म्हणटा तूं दिता
Because sir, in the last 3 years, I've been working on war footing and whenever there is a desilting and the flooding zones are concerned. And that's how we can say in the whole of Goa, we don't, except Paroda, we don't have much flooding in those spots where we used to have earlier. So I assure them that we will take up the monsoon.
जालें एश्युरन्स दिलें
एकूच मिनिट स्पीकर सर
एश्युरन्स दिलें
हांव माननीय मंत्र्यान दिलेले एश्युरन्स
Assurance दिले न्ही?
पण एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर ही
नेक्स्ट
रिव्हर कितली
सर.
इम्पॉर्टंट आसा स्पीकर
स्पीकर
सर
सर, honorable MLA दिलो.
स्पीकर सर एकूच मिनिट स्पीकर सर
एक मिनिट सर
एकूच मिनिट
सांग सर ऑपोजिशन लिडर मातशें सांग
Because of the overflowing of the river.
ते कॉलिंग अटेन्शन ना तुझं रिप्लाय तू सांग ऑपोजिशन लिडर सांग एक
स्पीकर सर
मिनिट
तुम्ही 20 मिनिटां दिता न्हू उलोवपाक आमकां कित्याक टायम दिवंक ना आतां
मिनिटाच्या भितर काबार जाता तेणे विड्रॉ केला
पण आमकां
एश्युरन्स दिला मरे
न्हू स्पीकर सर
तुका एश्युरन्स दिला मिनिस्टर आमचे एश्युरन्स तू फक्त दिला न्ही
ना आमकां ह्या टायमाचेर उलोवपाक मेळपाक जाय
दिला मरे एश्युरन्स तुका आनी कितें
Assurance
उलयतलो
दिल्या
तू
पुढे कितले इम्पॉर्टंट आहा तें सांगपाक जाय स्पीकर सर
Honorable member, honorable minister assured you that he is sending you on Wednesday and he is preparing estimate and this before rains he is going to desilt. What else you want to speak? तुझी भाषा कळना आसतलें मागीर भाशेन दुसरें मराठीन सांगपाक येता ताका. Honorable opposition leader, please speak.
Because जे बाब मंत्री उत्तर दिलेले आसा about doing that road, first you have said to PWD, now you are saying to WRD. So since this road comes within the embankment of the river, म्हाका दिसता हेजे एक retaining structure, slope protection, stone pitching, reinforcement, what is in your mind? What exactly will your department do? एक म्हाका दिसता जे बाब गिरीशान सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन एक technical assessment आसपाक जाय आनी scientifical hydrological study. Whether a study will be done, as they say, desilting has to be done, but whether a hydrological study or scientific study you will take, Chief Minister asata.
Honorable
We need
Ah,
to,
so तू
whether
किती problem
the
हा?
engineering standards will be improved.
Speaker, sir, it's a very,
honorable opposition leader finish, you finish, he'll answer.
So whether this hydrological study and all this scientific.
Yeah, he'll answer you.
Before doing this road,
Yes, he'll answer.
Speaker, sir,
Honorable, Minister.
Speaker, sir, it's a very serious thing. It happened last monsoons. The road, there was no road remaining. There was barricades and माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्याक खबर आसा तांची constituency also will be affected because it's that stretch which goes from Chorla right up to Sakari and onwards to Goa, rest of Goa. It is a main national highway. आणि पोरू प्रॉमिस केले की रोकडेच बांधता म्हणून आता नेक्स्ट मॉन्सून जायले सर आणि अजून कांयच करू ना कितें जाता ना आमचे एरिया ती आमची एरिया पडटा सगळे फार्म्स आसा लोक शेती करतात सगळे फ्लडिंग जाता एंटायर थिंग द पॅडी फिल्ड्स आर गेटिंग सबमर्ज खूप नुकसान जाता पळय आणि सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट फार्मिंग करपाक लोक भितात आता सेकंड बिकॉज इट्स किपींग ऑन गेटिंग इरोडेड कोलॅप्स जावपा पावला तो एंटायर रस्तो प्लस आता PWDन कलवट बांधले तुम्ही आन्सर दिला की PWDन कलवट बांधला म्हणून ते विकन जाला PWDक विचारल्या PWD म्हणटा वी आर डुईंग ओनली अ व्हेरी स्मॉल स्टेच ऑफ रिटेनिंग वॉल म्हणटा वी कान बिल्ड म्हणटा
त्या खातीर हांव भितर हावसा भितर येवचे पयलीं हांवें कन्सर्न जो ई आसा ताका फोन करून विचारलें बाबा सिच्युएशन कशें कितें आसा काय म्हणून ई फॉर नॅशनल हायवे ताजे कडेन रिप्लाय मेळ्ळी तेजे कडेन हांवें तुमकां सांगलां आतां की हांव बुधवाराक इवन तुमी फाल्यां शेनवारा आसा जर जायत फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू I can send my engineers on Saturday, so that they will identify. You bring that to their notice the points.
आणि desilting very important.
ऐका खंयचे points portions हे करपाक जाय म्हणटा ती immediately I will try to start with the desilting work and stretchers for protecting of banks banks
Banks.
on either side I will take up the works. Okay.
Thank you.